Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve business intelligence with Domo, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve business intelligence with Domo, begin by identifying your core business objectives. Assess the data sources currently in use across your organization. Ensure these data sources align with your objectives for maximum relevance. Next, sign in to your Domo account or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the data center. Here, you can upload your data sources directly or connect to existing databases. Utilize the drag and drop functionality to set up your data connections seamlessly. After your data is imported, proceed to the Domo Analyzer. This tool allows you to visualize trends and generate insights effectively. Select the data set you wish to analyze and choose from various visualization options. Experiment with charts, graphs, and tables to find the best representation of your data. Once you have created your visuals, arrange them into a dashboard. Focus on key performance indicators that matter most to your business. Customize the dashboard to display real-time data for immediate insights. Next, take advantage of Domo's collaboration features. Invite team members to view and interact with the dashboard. Encourage feedback to refine your visualizations and insights. Additionally, leverage Domo's alert system to stay updated on critical changes in your data. Set alerts based on specific thresholds to ensure timely decision-making. Explore the integration capabilities of Domo with other tools your business uses. This will streamline workflows and enhance data accuracy. Regularly review and adjust your dashboard as business needs evolve. Lastly, invest time in training your team on using Domo's features effectively. Fostering a data-driven culture will maximize the benefits of your business intelligence initiatives. With these steps, you can significantly enhance your business intelligence with Domo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.